these elections of Punjab, Goa, Uttar Pradesh are big challenges for the Congress party, and we have to unitedly fight the challenge of the Bharatiya Janata Party, which is a totally communal party, and the opportunist party of the AAP. We have to take them on strongly. With that, I would like to conclude and again would like to reiterate that AICC has no favorites, AICC has no candidates. It is your candidate whom we have to bring about a compromise so that the single names are prepared. Commitment that you all have made today, that we all unanimously want to fight BJP, we want unanimously to fight AAP, we want to form unanimously, you have taken a vow to ensure that the party comes to power. I am sure you will stick to that. आम आदमी पार्टी तो भाजपा को समर्थन देने के लिए खड़ी होती है। नितिन गडकरी खुद कह के गए कि जितना आप पार्टी वोट लेगी वो हमारा वोट नहीं लेगी, कांग्रेस का वोट लेगी। तो ये तो हम शुरू से कह रहे हैं कि अगर गठबंधन है इस देश में तो भाजपा और आप पार्टी में है, इस बात को सबको समझ लेना चाहिए। They are two faces of the same coin, भाजपा and आप. They are together, and each one of them is helping the other. Arvind Kejriwal is a creature of the Vivekananda International Foundation, which is the think tank of the BJP and the RSS. And he is only targeting Congress. He is a part of the Congress Mukta Bharat of the BJP RSS combined. So this you must understand this. Congress party represents all communities, all castes, all religions. But the BJP only talks of Hindutva, that Rajniti badal rahi hai, new experiment of our party is taking place. But this experiment has resulted in 19 of the MLAs behind the bars. 19 आप पार्टियों के लोग कोई किसी औरत के साथ छेड़छाड़ में, कोई ग्रंथ को धार्मिक ग्रंथ को जलाने में, कोई रिश्वत लेने में, तिहाड़ जेल पहुंचे। एक मजाक चला हुआ है दिल्ली में कि तिहाड़ जेल का सुपरिटेंडेंट जो है वो भी कहता है कि मैं भी मुख्यमंत्री बन सकता हूं क्योंकि अधिकांश एमएलए ऑफ तिहाड़ जेल में मेरे साथ हैं। Some senior leaders sometimes say there should be Gathbandhan, there should be no Gathbandhan. This should stop. These contradictory statements by elected representatives must stop. It is unfortunate that we have not been able to rein them in. But now we are closer to the election. I would again appeal to our senior leaders. We are giving them forum. Each of those senior leaders who are here, they are either in the coordination committee or in the executive committee or in the Pradesh election committee. Please let us discuss. गडकरी जी और मोदी जी और भाजपा और संघ ये भूल जाते हैं कि कांग्रेस पार्टी 125 साल पुरानी पार्टी है, जिसका घर घर में गांव में उसका एक असर है, इसलिए इतना आसान नहीं है।
लेकिन राहुल गांधी जी उनको सबको इन्होंने आरोप किया है कि दे आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर दिस स्टेप।
व्हाट
कांग्रेस मुक्त भारत के
राहुल गांधी इज प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर दैट।
So when can we expect that your party candidates will be announced? Sir.
You can say उन्होंने कहा है, मैंने कहा है what rubbish.
Sir, party candidates कब announce होगी आपके गोवा में? By when party would announce their candidates? September 30th.
We are in the process. Pradesh election committee is to be held on 26th. The process has started. Yes, I have spoken to Babu Pavlikar. I am in touch with Mr. Pandurang Bhattekar.
वो आपके फोन नहीं रिसीव कर रहे हैं
जी?
He is not receiving your call.
No, but he is in touch with us.
So there is no problem.
There is no problem.